ArchiCAD allows you to move your tool sets around. Just here there's a little vertical line. If I click on that, it'll actually pull out my info box and put it there. There's another horizontal line here near my tool palette. I can pull that out and I can bring my toolbox across. I can put that toolbox onto another screen, but if I move from one place to another, I might lose these. So if I set up 2 screens at school and then I go home, I might lose those. One thing that I've tried to teach you is to look at Window, Palettes, and see if those things are open. So if they've got a blue color here, they're open. So you could try closing them and then opening them again, but they might open in the same place that they started, that is the other screen. So if that fails, go to Options, choose Work Environment, and apply Profile and apply the CAD Image Profile 22. This is a standard workspace and should put everything back the way that it was.